Yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one's for you, baby.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Meander and today I am going to create a green dewy look on her eyes. Her eyebrows and lids were already done off camera. I am going to be using this green shade on her lids from a shadow palette I bought on Amazon about a year ago. Just pat that in. From the second half of this palette, I am going to be using these two green shades to blend out the first shade into her eyebrows. In order to cut her crease, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey in the middle of her lash lid. Then, have her open her eyes a bit to predict the perfect crease. Go back and fill in that space with the concealer. From the first palette, I used the white shade to help the concealer dry faster and appear lighter. From the Juvia's Place Douce palette, I used the shade Macarons over her crease, then went back into the very first green shade to blend the crease with the rest of her lid. New product alert. To add a bit of glitter to her crease, I used the Peiyen Flare Glitter Liquid Liner in the shade number 4 along her lash line and part of her crease. For the first time, I will be using the AliCrown lashes, and to stick them, I'll be using the white Sassy eyelash glue. I used the macaron shade from the Juvia's Place palette along her lower lash line. Unfortunately, I do not have a foundation shade. So, to substitute, I'm using this face powder from the local beauty store and the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey as her foundation. For contouring her cheeks and around her face, I used the chocolate shade, and to add a bit of blush, I used the crepe shade, both from the Douce palette by Juvia's Place. For her lips, I used the Klean color Madly Matte lipstick in the shade 2302 Fandango. And there you have it. This is the final look. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see many other looks.